Ljubljana is the charming capital of Slovenia, a small Central European country known for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Ljubljana city itself is relatively small and walkable, making it a perfect destination for a weekend getaway or a longer exploration. Ljubljana's old town is a maze of narrow streets, charming squares, and colorful buildings. The heart of the old town is Triple Bridge, a trio of bridges adorned with dragon statues. Be sure to also wander along the Ljubljana River, lined with outdoor cafes and restaurants. Ljubljana is a very green city, with parks and gardens scattered throughout. The largest park is Tivoli Park, a sprawling urban oasis with walking paths, bike trails, and a botanical garden. Ljubljana has a number of interesting museums. National Museum of Slovenia, Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art, and the Metelkova Museum, housed in a former military complex. Ljubljana has a vibrant nightlife scene, with bars and clubs to suit all tastes. There are also several open-air cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy a drink and people watch. I found some hotels in Ljubljana for you. Here are some of the most popular ones. Grand Hotel Union. This 5-star luxury hotel is located in the heart of the city, right next to the Triple Bridge. It has a beautiful spa, a rooftop restaurant with stunning views, and a casino. Intercontinental Ljubljana. This 5-star hotel is also located in the city center, just a short walk from the Ljubljana Castle. It has a large indoor pool, a sauna, and a steam room. Vandar Urbani Resort, a member of Design Hotels. This 4-star hotel is located in a quiet area of the city, just a short walk from Tivoli Park. Slon. This 4-star hotel is located in the heart of the city, just a short walk from the Ljubljana Castle. It has a traditional Slovenian restaurant, a bar, and a casino. It has a stylish rooftop bar, a spa, and a fitness center. The Fuzzy Log. This 3-star hostel is located in the city center, close to the Triple Bridge. It has a bar, a common room, and a rooftop terrace with views of the city. These are just a few of the many great hotels in Ljubljana. Publika Club Ljubljana is a popular nightlife spot located in the city center, just a short walk from the Triple Bridge. It's known for its diverse music scene, ranging from techno and house to rock and alternative. The club also hosts various events throughout the year, such as DJ sets, live concerts, and themed parties. Ljubljana's city center is a charming and vibrant area, packed with historical landmarks, cultural attractions, and lively squares. Here are some of the highlights. Triple Bridge. The iconic Triple Bridge is the heart of Ljubljana's old town. Take a stroll across the bridge and enjoy the views of the Ljubljana River. Prešeren Square. This lively square is named after Slovenia's national poet, Franz Prešeren. It's a popular spot for people watching, with cafes, restaurants, and street performers lining the square. Ljubljana Castle. Perched on a hill above the city, Ljubljana Castle offers stunning panoramic views. Explore the castle's inner courtyard, climb the watchtower, and learn about Ljubljana's history at the museum. Ljubljana Cathedral. This majestic cathedral is dedicated to St. Nicholas. It features impressive Baroque architecture and beautiful frescoes. Town Hall. Ljubljana's Town Hall is a beautiful example of Baroque architecture. Be sure to check out the Raba Fountain, which stands in front of the Town Hall. National Museum of Slovenia. This museum houses a collection of artifacts that tell the story of Slovenia's history and culture. Metelkova. This former military complex is now a vibrant cultural center, with art galleries, bars, and clubs. Ljubljana's food scene is a delightful blend of tradition and innovation, offering a taste of Slovenian culture and local specialties alongside international influences. Kranjska klobasa. This iconic Slovenian sausage is made with pork, beef, and spices, and traditionally air-dried. Enjoy it grilled, boiled, or pan-fried, often served with bread, mustard, and horseradish. Idovi zagonki. This savory buckwheat mush is a hearty and comforting dish, often served with stews, goulash, or fried mushrooms. Prekmurska gibanica. This layered pastry cake from the Prekmurj region is a true masterpiece, featuring poppy seed, walnut, apple, cottage cheese, and honey fillings. Potica. This traditional Slovenian nut roll is a festive treat, available in various sweet and savory fillings like walnuts, poppy seeds, tarragon, and mushrooms. Strukal G. These savory or sweet dumplings are filled with ingredients like cheese, tarragon, meat, walnuts, or apples, offering a burst of flavor in every bite. Fine dining. Indulge in exquisite culinary creations at renowned restaurants like Hisa Franco, awarded 2 Michelin stars, or a Telgi, showcasing innovative Slovenian cuisine with a modern twist. Fusion flavors. Explore restaurants like Cubo, offering Asian Mediterranean fusion, or Monster Burger, specializing in gourmet burgers with unique toppings. Pogacha. Indulge in these savory pastries filled with cheese, ham, or mushrooms, perfect for a quick and delicious snack. Ljubljana's food scene is constantly evolving, so don't hesitate to explore beyond these recommendations and discover your own hidden gems. Ljubljana's nightlife scene is as vibrant and diverse as its daytime offerings, catering to a wide range of tastes and preferences. From lively pubs and trendy bars to pulsating nightclubs and open-air terraces, the city comes alive after dark, offering something for everyone to enjoy. Parliament Pub. A classic British-style pub with a relaxed atmosphere, live music nights, and a wide selection of beers on tap. Shinshin. Housed in a former tobacco factory, this trendy bar offers a unique industrial setting, delicious cocktails, and DJs spinning tunes on weekends. Druga Violina. A cozy and intimate bar with a focus on craft beers and local wines, perfect for a relaxed evening with friends. Club K4. Ljubljana's iconic underground club, renowned for its diverse electronic music scene and international DJs. Amen Bar. A hidden gem tucked away in the old town, offering innovative cocktails, friendly bartenders, and a speakeasy vibe. So, put on your dancing shoes, grab some friends, and prepare to experience the electrifying energy of Ljubljana's nightlife. Immerse yourself in the captivating beauty of Ljubljana, Slovenia, a city brimming with charm and historical significance, through stunning 4K visuals. Cobblestone streets and hidden courtyards. Get lost in the charming labyrinth, discovering architectural gems around every corner. Boat bars. Cruise on the Ljubljana and enjoy the city lights while sipping cocktails on a floating bar. Skyline views. Capture the city's evolving architecture with stunning panoramas from skyscraper. ***. Modern art. Immerse yourself in contemporary art at museums and galleries like Moderna Galeria. Ljubljana's 4K beauty awaits you, promising an unforgettable journey through its rich history, vibrant culture, and captivating landscapes.